Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and find restaurants that are nearby to you on Zomato while ordering. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your Zomato application. And now this is where the filters come in. First things first, simply go ahead and select your location. And when you go ahead and select your location, you can simply go ahead and search for the ones that are very near you. So if you go and tap to this filters tab right over here, you can sort by a lot of things, as you can see. So there are some pure veg options, on time preparations, this and that, right? But the best thing you can do is just tap on under 30 minutes, which is going to show you the nearest restaurants that are going to be around you. So as you can see, 2.9 kilometer, it only shows one restaurant that is near me and can deliver that quick. However, you can also simply go ahead and look down here and just look around for the restaurants that are nearby without even applying any filters. As you can see, it says 1 kilometer, 1.6 kilometer, 1 kilometer, 1.9, and so on. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you